She's the witness of the historical evolution of the Chinese pump industry. From the ancient shadu, windlass and water mill, to the current high-tech fluid industry, she's an expert. She's the leading enterprise in the development of the Chinese pump industry. From industry standard preparation to city internal flood, seawater desalination, etc., she provides solutions. She's a national brand worthy of respect and trust. From made in China to created in China, from import substitution to internationalization, she's always leading. She's CNP. Nanfang Pump Industry, CNP, as an outstanding representative of the global pump industry, engages in the fluid industry such as water pump and so on. Now it's formed industry chain and realized the professional and large-scale production and intends to be famous branded enterprise of hundreds of years with quality and commitment. There's one faith to go ahead bravely. In 1991, Hangzhou Nanfang Special Pump Plant was founded. In 2007, initiated the brand-oriented strategy. In 2010, successfully listed in Shenzhen Stock Exchange. In 2011, expanded product layout and developed such large initial pumps for waterworks, hydropower, power plant, energy, and so on. There's one spirit, keep leading. A manufacturer, the earliest producing stainless steel pressing and welding centrifugal pumps at large scale. The largest manufacturer in China regarding the production and sale volume of stainless steel pressing and welding centrifugal pumps. The first Chinese manufacturer of local water pumps introducing laser welding equipment. The share of its dominant products ranks the first in the domestic water treatment market. The large modern production line of CNP has the industry-leading production capacity. The output value continues growing at above 30% annually, and now it's dashing toward the target of annual production and sale of 1 million sets. The production of CNP with the brand properties of high quality, high efficiency, safety and environment protection are widely used in the fields such as industry, municipal administration, domestic water supply, fire control system, underground water pumping, sewage and wastewater disposal, city pollution discharge and flood prevention, seawater desalination, and so on. CNP has above 60 patented technologies and a professional R&D team. It cooperates with such universities as Zhejiang University and so on to establish R&D Center. The industry experts and consulting team have established the firm foundation for the development of CNP. As the key technology enterprise under the National Torch Program and the Unit Drafting Industrial Standards, CNP participates in the National Torch Program, National Science and Technology Support Program, and National Key and New Product Projects. A series of honors and certifications have proved the highest evaluation of trustworthy CNP. There's one character allowing us to win always. CNP with open mind, forward-looking vision when facing up the changing market, keeps innovating, integrating, and fitting to different cultures of different countries. CNP has professional, dedicated global sales team and after-sales service team and can respond to customer demand in time. In 45 big and middle cities, CNP has established direct offices and service centers which, with transparent and stable prices, have formed its own industry-leading competitiveness. CNP, with a global vision, has established long-term cooperation with the customers from 60 countries and regions. In sales revenue, creation of foreign exchanges with export, etc., CNP is leading in the stainless steel press and welding pump industry. CNP stresses full process service, value-added service, and high-efficiency service. Shanghai World Financial Center, Shanghai Expo China Pavilion, Jinan Olympic Sports Center, CCTV Tower, Tsinghua University, Hangzhou Shaoshan International Airport, Indonesia Shopping Center, UAE Palm Island, and so on, all reflect the leading pump technology and quality of CNP. Corporate culture is the power and support for the development of an enterprise. The teams of CNP regard product as character and action as morality. Since its establishment, CNP's run its business with faithful heart of team. CNP with faithful, pragmatic and dedicated cultural genes, as well as plain, loyal and thanksgiving humanistic and cultural philosophy, gathers all forces, creates its harmonic corporate atmosphere, cooperates with customers to achieve win-win, grows together with suppliers, and lets its staff realize their values. Water moistens life while pump brings enthusiasm. The Chinese character beng, pump, is made of shi, stone, and shui, water, meaning that a pump is close to water and also should be as firm as stone and able to suffer wind and rain. This is the value of CNP, who carries the thirst, dream, and passion of human beings. CNP's undergone victories, and it represents the sincere wish of its staff. Pay attention to water and water pumps. There's near 1/3 people in the world short of safe water. China is one of the 15 countries most severely short of waters, and 50% groundwater and 20% water of China is polluted. The urgent expansion of urbanization brings city internal flooding, water shortage, water source pollution, and other severe problems. As a leading enterprise in the industry, CNP actively performs the social responsibilities of waterworks construction, sewage disposal, seawater desalination.
南方泵业股份有限公司是中国泵行业非常优秀的一个企业，它的主要产品是生产、制造、设计冲压泵供水系统等产品。在泵行业的活动中，它们发生了非常重要的作用。
In the future years, CNP will gradually form and perfect one experience management center and multiple large-scale production bases. CNP will struggle to be the first brand of city pumps and water pumps of China and a well-known international brand. One who lets human and water exist in harmony is CNP.